Guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So first you have to come this website www.gigabyte.com and then see this right hand side, this is search button. To click, enter your model number B860M DS3H, then hit enter. Then click to product. Now click on the title of the motherboard, this one. Then automatically forward to new tab. Click support. Select your operating system which is required, Windows 10, 11. So if you're using suppose Windows 10 and I am making video 11, so you can install this video because installations process same. Audio driver, you just click with this is size and this is download button, click to download. Start downloading here. This is downloaded and just open and double click to open. This is exe. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting, then install. Eh? हाँ होने भी हो चाय छोड़ दीजिए
क्यों? कल तक तो दिन में 6-7 घंटे करवाना छोड़ के पी लेना
आज
जैसा
24 तारीख ने नहीं पीनी.
नहीं पी लो
So this is close automatically, means this is install and then close it. Chipset driver, so Intel INF utility and download. It is done and then open, double click to run. So it is closed automatically means this is installed. LAN. Realtek LAN driver. So it is done and open. Double click to exe. Then click to yes. Now it is installing. It will close automatically means this is installed. Then VGA, Intel VGA driver, and this is size, and click to download. So this is install and click and double click to exe. Then click to yes. And then close. This automatic close means this is installed, and then close it. And you can unsub BIOS and utility is also there.